Hey North Haven customers, it's Brew Turner, your garden advisor, and we're doing a video today about seed starting. And we started some seeds this week with some bell peppers we wanted to show you. Those are our seed pucks, and those have been germinating for under that light for about 2 weeks. Some of the seeds that you'd want to start indoors, like these bell peppers, you can also do eggplant right now. You could do okra indoors, peppers, and tomatoes. Other seeds that we might want to start outside right now, we can include our lettuces that are still in season, our carrots, our spinach, and our kales can be direct seeded outdoors this time of year. We have grow lights with LEDs, we have the seed trays, we have the seed starting mix started. Come check us out, talk to a garden advisor, we'll get you started.